Video in particular is down sharply, $6 lower at 3.6% down. Mike Lee's with us this morning. Mike, you've recommended CoreWeave. You've been a real bull on CoreWeave, but lately it's been taking a big hit. It's down 7% this morning at 64. Can you convince me that it soon will rebound sharply?
Yes, Stuart, there is a tremendous amount of negativity with the data centers for AI. And there's a lot of reasons for this, but I would say the number one reasons is most people out there, including a lot of professional investors, simply don't understand the concept of what's called token demand. So not tokens for cryptocurrency, tokens for AI. That's 3/4 of a page of a large language model. That's about to grow exponentially. There's nowhere near enough infrastructure to handle current demand, let alone demand 12 months or 24 months from now. And people are looking out at these companies and saying, hey, there's too much debt, they're overbuilding, this is a bubble, not realizing the avalanche of demand that's coming their way. A legitimate part of the bear case is they can't build these data centers fast enough to match that demand. But yeah, so I have a little bit of a hard time grasping all the negativity, given that there's, on one hand, you're recognizing all this demand and criticizing the stocks for lack of supply, and then on the other side saying there's all of a sudden too much supply and that they're not going to be able to pay this debt. So the two bear arguments don't really make sense. And, you know, like Google was at 160 and 170 bucks this past summer, that hit 330. I think the tide is going to turn for these data centers with a few more earnings quarters. And CoreWeave itself is probably trading at about 3 times 2027 earnings. I don't know that it'll get to a 22 times like the rest of the market, but probably a 15 on that, which means over the next 12 to 24 months, you have a 4 to 5x upside in this stock easy.
All right, Mike Lee, still big on CoreWeave. I got it. Thanks so much, Mike. See you again soon. Laura's looking at the movers. You better look at Google, because that stock